Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. We are gonna do something super fun today. I'm so excited. I have all of this stuff. There's some different colors in there. And we are going to bleach dye. This is part 2, so if you haven't seen part 1, link in the description and go watch part 1 where I did some color dye and they turned out so cute. So today we're gonna do some bleach dye. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a like and subscribe down below. So let's go ahead and get started. I have all the bags, the rubber bands, the bleach, and the gloves ready. So we're just going to go ahead and do everything dry. I got a shirt wet and it didn't quite bleach. So we'll wrap them up, bleach them, wash them out right away, and we'll see how it turns out. So I'll see you guys in a second. Alright, so we are going to get gloves on, and I have my bleach ready, and we're going to tie up all of our stuff. Some of this is for friends or family. So this pink shirt, I decided to do a spiral and rubber band it all together like a normal spiral with tie-dye. So I bleached it and rotated the shirt around so I could get all sides of it. Then after it was done being tied, I laid it out in the sun for a few minutes to brighten it up, and this is how it turned out. Hey, sorry for the crazy audio, but this one I decided to swirl down the middle and scrunch the rest of it on the outside so it has a little bit of texture throughout the whole shirt, and we kind of loosely tied it down and flipped it over and sprayed all sides with bleach. Then we laid it out for a little bit, and this is how this one turned out. I love it. Here is a blue t-shirt. I kind of did the same as the black one. I swirled it in the middle and scrunched the outside. I just kind of freehand sprayed it, flipped it over, sprayed all sides of it, and I love how this one turned out as well. Okay, so this piece was probably my favorite. We did the black sweatshirt for my brother. I started with the sleeves and individually crinkled it piece by piece instead of as crinkling it all together. I love how it turned out. Then we just bleached it, flipped it over, did all the sides. And here you go, Ben. These are the before and afters. Okay, so now we move on to the sweat, and once again you just take it little by little, piece by piece, scrunch up the whole thing. Then we flipped it over, bleached all sides with different techniques with the spray bottle, and here are the before and after, and I love how these turned out. Make sure if you are doing this that you are outside and you are covering your face, especially if you're doing as much as I'm doing and not just doing one piece. I did like 4 or 5. So make sure you're covering up and being safe. And yeah, make sure you wear gloves and get your washer and dryer ready, because you don't want them to sit too long and you just want to wash the bleach out before your fabric gets ruined. So that's what Here is another shirt I had laying around that I wanted to play around with, so I decided to scrunch it up as it would kind of make some type of stripes, I guess. So I sprayed it, rotated it, sprayed it, rotated it, and kind of freehand a little bit. We laid it out in the sun to also lighten it up, and here's how it turned out. One of them I did not wrap, which was the blue sweatshirt that I was going to make for myself, and I wanted to see how it would turn out if I would spray it and kind of freehand spray it and see how that would work out. And it shouldn't take too long for them to turn their color. I don't know if they're going to turn red, brown, white, gray, so I guess we'll just see what happens. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to leave a comment down below and tell me what your favorite piece was. My favorite, I think, was the sweatshirt that I made for my brother. I love how it turned out. It was a little brown when I first bleached it, and then it actually turned out like a grayish color after it was completely washed. And just be mindful, if you guys do this at home, that the 100% cotton stuff that I had got did seem to shrink after I washed it, but you could probably just give it a good tug and stretch it back out. So I got the extra large, and it almost fit like a large by the time I was done with it. So just a heads up on that. But yeah, I had so much fun making this video, and don't forget to like this video if you guys enjoyed it, and subscribe, because I might have one more video coming out. No promises. I might have another tie-dye video, but we'll see. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!